So not only is it repairing and fortifying my hair, but the biotin and castor oil found in Redken Extreme Length is helping my hair grow faster. Today we're going to talk about Redken's Extreme Length family and look at this new packaging. We're going to talk about how it looks, how it feels and smells, and what it does for your hair. Our new packaging shows how much of each scientific complex is in each bottle and the active ingredient. And for Extreme Length, that's biotin. The coolest part about our new packaging is the braille found on the back of each bottle. This way, those who utilize braille know exactly what they're grabbing in the shower. Next, let's talk about the scent. It's got a light, refreshing, sweet smell that I just can't describe. It's definitely enjoyable, and I'm excited to have it in my hair. It almost smells like a nice spring day. Let's get to lathering. You only need a little bit of this formula because it's so concentrated. I'd say when I put it in my hand, it's about a nickel size. No more, no less. I can tell by the clear, jelly-like consistency, I'm gonna get a nice, deep clean. You always wanna emulsify your shampoo before putting it in your head. This way, you get a nice, even distribution and you don't get all the bubbles in one spot. Let's distribute and get to lathering. With any professional shampoo, if you feel like you can't get a good enough lather, add more water, don't add more shampoo. Hair hot tip, scrub your head for 1 to 2 whole minutes to get a good blood flow and promote a healthy scalp, which will promote hair growth. Redken Extreme Length also promises a good 6 inches of hair growth within a year if you use the family regularly and all together. So not only is it repairing and fortifying my hair, but the biotin and castor oil found in Redken Extreme Length is helping my hair grow faster. Okay, step 2, the conditioner. Same great scent as the shampoo, loving it. This conditioner is really thick and creamy, which I'm excited for because I just feel like it's gonna pack in all those amazing ingredients. Now don't overdo it, a little goes a long way. Remember, we're gonna emulsify to get an even distribution because we don't wanna overuse our conditioner and run out of it before we run out of shampoo. Once I feel like it's through my hair roots to ends, we rinse. Conditioner does its job very quickly, and I'm about it. Time for step 3 in this family. The Extreme Length Sealer treatment is a leave-in treatment that's gonna solve my split end problems, and it smells just as great as the shampoo and conditioner. Now remember, professional products are very concentrated. A little goes a long way. How cute! You probably only need a dime size of the leave-in. It's much thicker than the conditioner, and I wanna make sure I saturate all of my hair very well. Once it's all in there, just leave it in and air dry or blow dry as normal. I like to wrap my head while I wait for my hair to air dry a little bit, and then I'll probably hit it with the blow dryer and style as usual.